Hi everyone, welcome back to German Glow. Today we are going to learn one of the most important part of German grammar, regular and irregular verbs. By the end of this video, you will know how to spot them, conjugate them and avoid common mistakes. This is lesson 7, Lektion 7, regelmäßige Verben und unregelmäßige Verben, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Learning objectives. Identify the two parts of German verb. Conjugate regular verbs in the present tense using the correct endings. Recognize irregular verbs and understand how their stems change. Apply the four common vowel change patterns. Regelmäßige Verben. Regular verbs. First, let's understand what a German verb is made of. Most verbs have two parts. Common. This is verb. To come. Common meaning to come. Com is verb stum. Verb stum. En. Es is verb endung. Com plus en. Com is verb stum. En is endung. Verb stum, the main part of the verb that usually stays the same. Okay. Endung, meaning ending. The part that change depending on the pronoun. Example, I, you, he. An example, spielen. Spielen meaning to play. Verb Stamm is spiel. Spiel. Endung is en. Change. En change. Okay. When we conjugate spielen in the present tense, Ich, spiel plus spiele. Ich meaning I. Do. Do meaning you. You informal way. You can use friends. Yeah. Spiel plus st, spielst. Ses, er meaning he, sie meaning she, es meaning it. Spiel plus t, spielt. Wir meaning we spiel plus en, spielen. Ihr meaning your, informal way, your, plural one, yeah, you, plural, ihr, informal way. Spiel plus t, spielt, C meaning they, capital C meaning you plural and singular. This is formal way. Spiel plus en, spielen. Regular verbs follow the same pattern in the conjugation. You remove en or n, keep the stem and add the same endings. Another example, gehen. Gehen meaning to go. Verb stem is ge. Endung is en. Verb stem is ge. Ich gehe plus I gehe. Du ge plus st gehst. Es ge plus t geht. Wir ge plus en gehen. Ihr ge plus t geht. Sie ge plus en gehen. Okay. Unregelmäßige Verben, irregular verbs. Now irregular verbs are little different. The endings are similar, but the stem vowel change in the do and ASES form. An example, fahren. Fahren, to drive. Fahren, verb stem is fahr. Endung is en. Verb conjugation, ich. Ich fahr plus I fahre. Aber, but do form, not fa. Verb stem is not fa, fair, meaning change fair. A change umlaut a change umlaut a. A is vowel, this change umlaut a. St plus st fast. As fair plus t, fat. Wir. Fahr plus en, fahren. Ihr, fahr plus t, fahrt. Sie, fahr plus en, fahren. The stem vowel change in the do and ASES form. But stays the same in order forms. Okay. Common vowel change patterns. Here are the most common vowel change for irregular verbs. First one is a. A change umlaut a. Fahren. Fahren. Ich fahre. Du fährst plus st fährst. Er, sie, es fährst plus die fährt. Wir fahr plus en fahren. Ihr fahr plus de fahrt. Sie fahr plus en fahren. Another example, laufen. Laufen. Laufen meaning to run. Schlafen. Schlafen to sleep. Tragen. Tragen to carry, to wear. Waschen. Waschen to wash. Next one is E change I. E change I. Example, essen. Essen is to eat. To eat. Ich. Verb Stamm is S. Verb Stamm is S. S plus E. Essen. Do is. Is. Verb Stamm change. E change I. Is plus te. Ist. S is plus te. Ist. Wir. S plus en. Essen. Ihr. S plus te. Est. C S plus en. Essen. Another example, geben to give. Nehmen to take. Treffen to meet. Next pattern is E change EI. E change, IE. IE. E change IE. IE. Example, sehen. Sehen to see. To see. Ich sehe, verb Stamm is sehe. Sehe, say. Say plus E, sehe. Ich sehe plus E, sehe. Do. Do, E change EIE. E change IE. See. See plus ST, seized. Seized. C plus T, seat. SES, C plus T, seat. Wear. Say plus en, sehen. Ear. Ear, say plus t, say. See, say plus en, sehen. Another example, listen to read, listen. Stehlen, stehlen to steal. Empfehlen to recommend. Empfehlen to recommend. Next pattern is AU. AU change umlaut A und U. Example, laufen. Laufen to run. Verb Stamm is lauf. 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 Ich lauf plus E laufe. Do. Change AU umlaut AU. Not lauf, läuf. Läuf. Läuf plus ST läuft. Läuft. RCS läuft plus D läuft. Läuft. Wir. Wir lauf plus en laufen. Ihr lauf plus D lauft. Sie lauft plus en laufen. Only do and ACS form change. Another example, hauen. Hauen to hit. To hit, hauen. Saufen to drink. This use animals. Only animals. Saufen to drink. Only do and ACS form change. The rest keep the original vowel. Knowing whether verb is regular or irregular helps you conjugate correctly and speak naturally in German. Most verbs are irregular, but the most common ones like sein, haben, gehen, sehen are irregular. So you will hear them all the time. So now you know the difference between regular and irregular verbs in German, how to find the stem and ending, and the common vowel change pattern. Okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to German Glow. Tschüss. Danke. See you next time.